In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can publish a budget from budgeting and forecasting into financial statements. I've completed my budget for 2020 here. As you can see, if I open up my revenue, you'll see I've got a list of all my accounts. I've got budget figures for everything there, so I'm happy. I could go through if I chose to and mark each of these as complete. I don't actually need to do that to publish my budget. All I actually need to do is jump down the bottom and click on this publish button. I then decide, do I want to create a new budget stream or do I want to use an existing budget stream that already exists? So I could leave it as add new, or I could click on the drop down and I've got a version 2 budget already assigned. So if I wanted to add this budget to that and override the version 2 budget, I could simply select that. In this case, I'm going to add a new budget, call it Budget 2020, and click Publish. You'll see down the bottom, we've got a pop-up saying that that budget has been successfully created. If we then jump into our financial statements database, you'll now see in my profit and loss, here's my budget for 2020, and also you can see that across the top of my variance stream option there as well. If I look at this and again realize that I needed to make a change to the budget once I'd seen it in financial statements, I would just jump back into my budget, change what I needed to change, and click on the publish button again, and then republish over the top of the existing budget within Phocas. And that's how you publish a budget worksheet to financial statements. Thanks for watching.